Hi everybody, I'm GiGi of GiGi Eats Celebrities, and I am on a roll. So last week I recreated that Hershey's bar. This week I'm recreating the Panda Express chicken teriyaki. Now the reasoning behind this is my sister-in-law Allie has been asking me for, I don't know, about a year at this point to recreate it healthier. And it just so happens to be her birthday, so let's consider this a birthday present. Happy birthday, Allie. I am making this recipe for you. However, everyone else who watches this video, yeah, well, I guess it's for you too. So I'm not sure if you guys have ever been to Panda Express before, but Allie loves to go there. It's something quick, simple, easy, and the chicken teriyaki apparently is to die for. Now, chicken teriyaki, sure, it's the healthier option of all of the other options given to you at Panda Express, but still not that great for you because their teriyaki sauce is full of additives that are just not all that healthy. I mean, there's MSG in it, there's corn syrup, cornstarch, a lot of additives that, again, aren't necessary for consumption. Now, if you don't care about your health, well, go for it! Panda Express is all yours. But I have a feeling since you're here on GiGi Eats Celebrities right now, you do care and you are looking for that replacement for your favorite Panda Express meal. And that is what I'm doing for you today. So, I created a chicken teriyaki recipe. Now, I have to be completely upfront with you. I've never had Panda Express before in my entire life, so I don't really have anything to base this off of. However, I did a lot of research and I found out what exactly lurks within that Panda Express teriyaki sauce, and I have replaced it with alternatives that are far healthier than the norm. So for instance, this sauce is going to be gluten-free because typically theirs is not gluten-free, and there's going to be no sugar at all. You ready to see how I made this? I know Allie is because she's been waiting for a year. Oh, and the best part is, sure, you could pan fry this, you could bake it in the oven, but I'm gonna use the air fryer because Allie has an air fryer and she is obsessed with it. Just like this girl. If you guys don't have an air fryer, you should go get one. I have a link in the description below because it is the best invention on the face of the planet. However, perhaps my recipe for this chicken teriyaki will in fact be the best invention on the face of the planet. Who knows? We'll see, we'll see. And you guys are actually gonna have to tell me in the comments below because I don't have anything to compare it to. Anyways, let's get to cooking because this girl wants to eat. She's getting a little hangry. So this right here is my chicken in teriyaki sauce. It's taken a little bath right now, a really cold bath, because I actually marinated this overnight. I actually highly recommend that you do that because it just enhances the flavor that much more. Now, if you don't have that much time or you forgot to plan in advance, just marinate it for at least 30 minutes to an hour before you plan on cooking it. That's it. Whee! I am so pumped right now, everybody. The chicken is done and it smells absolutely phenomenal. I tend to say that after all of my recipes are done cooking, but that's because I am starving. Yeah, the hanger totally got to me. I was waiting for this for 30 minutes and I'm like, I just want to eat it. But you don't want to eat raw chicken, so I do not recommend you do that. Anyways, let's move this out of the way because we really need to showcase this deliciousness right here. I would totally eat this out of the air fryer, but I decided to be a little lady and put it on a plate. Because, you know, I'm a food blogger, so I had to take a picture of it so all of you guys can see it on my blog. What I'm noticing here is because of the ingredients that I use, including tapioca starch, is it has a nice caramelized crust, which looks pretty dang delicious. I don't know, guys, should I attempt to use my chopsticks to try and eat this? All right, well, we're gonna give it a go. We're going for the thigh meat here because, you know, thigh is the best part. A little fatty. I like fattier meats. Oh my God. What? What? Oh, I think Allie's gonna be really happy. And of course, I think all of you guys are gonna be happy too. As I said earlier, I've never had Panda Express before, which means I've never had their chicken teriyaki. That being said, I don't need to, because this recipe, if I could get these chopsticks to work, is unbelievable. And I'm like shaky over here because I'm so hungry. I don't know how people do this with chopsticks. I don't know. It won't let me eat it. I just want to eat it. It's so good. Guys, I'm going in with my hands and I don't even care. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's nothing else I can say except oh my gosh. It's so good. However, I really wish that I had someone who's had chicken teriyaki from Panda Express before to come and try this chicken so they can tell me if it tastes similar or not. But regardless, it's delicious, so you need to make this recipe.
Oops, sorry, I was wearing the wrong dress.
Well, look who decided to come and try this. I'm pretty excited. Have you ever had Panda Express before?
Hi, I'm the same size as Genevieve. Anise. How do you like my dress? I hope you like it.
Landon, have you ever had Panda Express chicken teriyaki before?
No, because I don't like Panda Express. It makes me throw up.
Allie, your brother does not like Panda Express. How do you feel about that?
It causes colon cancer.
Well, this doesn't cause colon cancer. You want to try?
Yeah.
You want to try the whole thing? You got to really chew that. Don't choke, please. I'm just waiting over here. You know, take your time.
I talked with my mouth full.
Good. I'm glad your mom taught you something.
Sorry for saying so much, Mom.
I haven't said the F word in this entire video. Thank you. You just ruined it. But I actually want to know, did I ruin this chicken or is it good? I haven't even tried the breast.
I have.
It's so good. How do you like it?
I'm chewing. Shut up.
No. Well, I chew and talk. Sorry, my mom didn't teach me that.
Guess I made you a piece of shit.
You just keep cussing on the show. I was trying to give Allie another present and not have any curse words in this video. Clearly, that didn't happen.
I'm sorry, Allie. From the bottom of my heart.
He's deep in thought right now.
It tastes really nice.
You like it?
Good job.
Thank you.
Is my bicep really that big?
Your chest is too. He's got big knockers, everybody.
Did you see what that chicken did to my bicep?
Yeah, grew some muscles because of that protein.
Follow me on Twitter at Apollo 11 Musical. Or at Space Race Musical. I'm not good at...
Hey, P.S. Do you like his space pants? Check out his space pants.
Have you seen my pants? No way, you missed them. My pants are a tour of the solar system.
I'm just gonna eat some more chicken
space
here.
Pants. And space pants. Look at my biceps.
Jeez.
Whoa, they're bolted.
I apologize, everybody.
Look at my pretty dress. Look at my pretty dress.
He's taking over this video. Sorry, Allie, this is no longer a Panda Express remake. This is Landon feeling himself in this dress.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Look at my pretty dress. Ooh la la. You want to see my butt? You can't see my butt. Oh no, you have to pay plenty money for that butt. Ooh, I'm walking backwards like a tutu train. Oh, chuka 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 toot toot. Look at my pretty walk. Look at my pretty hair. All the pretty hair, all the pretty dress, and taco kisses. Taco kisses.
Okay.
Landon. Ow.
Anyways, I gotta get back into this video because that was very distracting, but also rather comical. That's what I deal with on a daily basis. And Allie, I feel for you. You dealt with that for a very long time when growing up. So if you have any tips and tricks, do let me know. I mean, after all, I just gave you this awesome recipe that Landon even approved of, which is pretty crazy because he does not approve of anything, everybody, as you've seen in previous videos. Okay, that's it. I am so hungry right now. I have to say goodbye because I need to eat this entire recipe. And yes, this girl is going to eat this entire recipe and she doesn't care. Anyways, thank you all again so much, and do leave a comment below wishing Allie a happy birthday, as well as telling me whether or not you like Panda Express and what menu item from Panda Express specifically you really do like. Happy birthday, Allie. I'm sorry it took so long for me to recreate this recipe for you, but now I plan on making it all the time. Maybe it'll make you like chicken a little bit more, because guys, secret, Allie, aside from the Panda Express chicken teriyaki, she doesn't really like chicken. So maybe if you guys have any chicken recipes on your blogs, if you have a blog, leave them in the comments below as well so Allie can try them out. Also, one last thing, if you guys like the fact that I recreate menu items and recipes to make them healthier, let me know what else you'd like me to recreate, because I am all about this life. Bye!